Hello, my name is Sonia Madison and welcome to Law Unfiltered, where I talk about current events and some of the legal implications. In honor of Black History Month, I've been talking about prominent figures in the world of the law, and today I want to talk about Barbara Jordan. Now, Ms. Jordan was a member of the House of Representatives, and she sponsored at least 40 bills as it pertains during her time in the 1970s. Now, one of the bills she sponsored was the Consumer Goods Pricing Act, and what that bill essentially stated was manufacturers cannot set prices on the cost of their goods and then force retail owners to pretty much sell them at that price. So what ended up happening was a lot of manufacturers would sell some of their goods to big conglomerates and say that they could discount their prices when selling it to their consumers. And then for small businesses, they would have these high prices that they would require the retailers to sell to their consumers. So you can only imagine that this was probably resulting in areas or communities where it was highly populated with either small businesses or middle to low income class communities not being able to receive the same discounts as other consumers that were in high end or predominantly white neighborhoods. So her bill essentially prohibited manufacturers from being able to do so, and it went to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court again stated that this bill was not only constitutional, but it definitely prohibited manufacturers from doing that. And so that was one of the bills that she not only sponsored but got signed into law. Another bill that she sponsored was the extension of the Voting Rights Act. Now, we talked about that before in the show, but for those who don't remember, that essentially required certain states to have to report to the Department of Justice what their requirements were going to be in terms of being able to allow certain people to vote, and those requirements had to be approved before they could enact it within their states. So she had that extended, and as you know, recently the Supreme Court has stated that they're going to put a stay on making states do so. And so hopefully some of the current legislators will take her lead and either extend it or provide some alternatives to ensure that, again, you don't have those voting requirements that have a disparate impact on some minorities. So that was Ms. Jordan. I hope you guys learned a lot about what she's done and her contributions to the legal community, and continue to stay tuned each week as I talk about other prominent figures in honor of Black History Month. Catch you next time on Law Unfiltered.